My name is Matt Omont. I'm an assistant professor here at North Dakota State College of Science in the collision engineering program. Anyone that's wanting to consider coming into this program, whether you're a student or older than average, doesn't matter. Anyone coming in here trying to consider auto body as a profession, go out and job shadow. Go out and see what you can find within a local shop or a shop around you. There's not a time or place that a shop won't take somebody on for an hour or two just to show them what's going on. Placement rate for us is extremely high. We have students that graduate, go ready for a job. There's jobs available within our industry anywhere and everywhere for them. No matter where you want to go, no matter what side of the industry you want to be in, there's probably going to be something there for you. A lot of the students come out of here as entry-level technicians, but the potential is endless. Our industry has a lot of avenues that you can go down. We start out as technicians going into it, but beyond there, shop ownership, painter, body tech, going into ADAS, getting into high-end custom cars. I mean, there's a lot of different value in different positions that a student can get into. With us in collision engineering, partnering with us, what we do is the students go out on internship now. As they come to us for a set time. Now they go out and work for a set time and then go back and forth throughout the whole 2-year associate degree program. With that, it's earn while you learn. It's kind of one of the biggest benefits with them. They get to be out getting hands-on experience, working in a shop, making money. Come back, let's slow down, let's get that knowledge back up, build that foundation, go back out and get some more knowledge and more skills built up as you come back and forth. Upon graduation, they're locked, loaded, ready to go. Do you like to see something that's wrecked come back to life? I mean, that's my biggest thing I love about this industry is I get to see vehicles completely destroyed and they look brand new in a time period. So that's one key thing that I really love. You got to have more of a perfectionist to your side, artistic side as well. We see a lot of paint work and whatnot. We're artists in itself in this industry.